Hey there, Newton here. How are your projects looking? Enjoying what we made these past few episodes? Welcome back to another bite-sized tutorial series for 3D FPS. This episode, we will add the player movements to pair with the camera controls we did last time. Open up our Godot project and let's go. First things first, we will need to enable the collision for our stage so that our character wouldn't fall into the abyss. Let's add the key inputs for our game. Head over to the project menu, then project settings. Click the input map tab, then we will type the name of the controls. To bind the key, we will just press the plus icon, then press which key you want it to be binded with. For tutorial purposes, we will use the standard FPS controller, WASD and spacebar. Open up the player script, and we will add the movement codes. First, we will add the variables needed for the movements. Next, we will add the physics process function. Then, we will get the direction for the character's X and Z axis. We normalize the vector and apply the rotation of our character. Then for the velocity value, we will just multiply the direction to the movement speed. Then adding the move and slide function. Then we test it. Now, we will apply the gravity and the jump behavior for our character, adding its needed variables. We will add the code above the movement. First, we apply the gravity to the Y velocity of our character. We'll have a condition that if our velocity becomes lower than the max fall speed, it won't decrement any lower. Then, when the player is on the floor, we'll just set it to a small amount. Then, if the jump button is pressed and is on the floor, we will apply the jump force to our Y velocity. And now, we have our working FPS character. We can now explore our created stage. Really excited for you guys, especially those who are just starting to learn GameDev. The next part, we will add the pew pew for our character. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification icon so you don't miss it. Leave a like also to help spread this to others. Until then, take one step at a time and cheers!